Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Previously, we were watching that the price action of Bitcoin was moving in this ascending triangle. And finally, the price action has broken down this support of this triangle. Now it is moving towards the upside, and it is possible that it will confirm this breakdown by retesting the previous support as a resistance, and then it will be moved more down. And in today's video, we will try to analyze whether the price action will be re-entered in this triangle and break out this resistance and move towards the upside, or it will be moved more down after confirming this breakdown by retesting the previous resistance, the previous support as a resistance. And by the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can find the link to join me here in the video's description. Okay, first of all, let me just show you this triangle that we have been discussing in my previous video as well. And now we can see that the price action has finally broken down the support of this triangle. And in case of breakdown, our target towards the downside was, I'm just going to place this trend line here at the from where the price action broken down the support, and we can see that the price action has almost reached the target of this triangle after this breakdown, because this was our target towards the downside in case of breakdown. Now, if we take a look at the oscillators again, previously we were watching that the stochastic RSI on this 4-hourly chart was oversold, and the stochastic at that time was not in oversold, that was overbought. And you can see now after this drop, the price this stochastic has dropped in the oversold again. Now we have the stochastic oversold and the stochastic RSI on the 4-hourly chart in the oversold. Therefore, now it is possible that the price action will move at least up to this previous support of the triangle to retest this previous support as a resistance, and then it will be a decision-making time for the price line whether it will break out this previous support as a resistance, and it will move towards the upside. In my point of view, if the price action once more will go back to retest its previous resistance as a support, then there will be a strong probability that the price action will break out this previous support as a resistance, and it will even break out this resistance of the triangle as well, because at the same time on the daily time frame chart, I have placed here the Ichimoku cloud, and you can see, in fact, the price action on the daily time frame was trying to break out this Ichimoku cloud, and this was a very important time. Even this is a very important time that the price action is trying to break out on the daily time frame, this Ichimoku bearish cloud. Previously, if I show you, then whenever the price action has broken out this Ichimoku cloud, we had powerful rallies. Like here we have seen the powerful rally after this breakout on the daily time frame. And when the price action broke out this Ichimoku cloud here, we had a powerful rally. And before this, we had here, after this drop of March, when the price action broke out this Ichimoku bearish cloud here, we had a powerful rally towards the upside. And before this, we can see that when the price action broke out here, the Ichimoku cloud, we had a very nice rally towards the upside. So this is just the beginning of this game, and you can see that the price line is trying to break out this resistance, and Ichimoku cloud for the future is giving the prediction as a bullish cloud. We can see that the bullish cloud has been appeared now. Now there is a strong possibility that this bullish cloud will be in the future will become more bigger. That will become a very strong support for the price line. And why I'm saying that if the price line will move back to test this previous support as a resistance, then we can expect a powerful move, because in that situation the price line can move above this Ichimoku cloud. In fact, if the price action will move sideways here, then eventually we will be out of this cloud and we will have this cloud as a support. But if we will have this red cloud, this bearish cloud, that will be the weak support. And once the price action will move above this bullish cloud, that can work as a very strong support. Like previously, we can see that this bullish cloud has been working as a very strong support for the price action. So it is very important for the price line to break out this cloud as soon as possible. And there is a strong possibility that the price action will move above this cloud, because I have already told you that if even the price line will be moving sideways, we will be out of this cloud. In order to avoid this breakout, there is only one solution for that, or only one way for that, you can say, that we will need a powerful sell volume, and the candlesticks should move down in this steep way. Then in that situation, we can avoid this breakout. However, right now, this breakout is unavoidable, because you can see that this is the lagging span that has crossed up the candlesticks. And in my previous so many videos, I have been telling you that when this lagging span crosses up the candlestick, that is the first bullish signal by the Ichimoku cloud. And when we receive the bull cross, when this blue line, the conversion line, crosses up this red line, that is the baseline of this Ichimoku cloud. That is the second bullish signal. And the most powerful bullish signal is when the candlesticks will be moved above this cloud, and finally we will have this lagging span crossing up this cloud. That will be the final bullish signal, and then we can expect a very long-term rally, like we have been watching previously. Whenever the Ichimoku cloud was broken out and the candlesticks used this bullish cloud as a support and started a very long-term rallies towards the upside. So this is very important time. We can see that we had a very powerful attempt, but at this time it is likely to be rejected by this Ichimoku cloud. But if the candlesticks will be not dropped down in a very bearish way, this breakout will be unavoidable. And if I show you the volume, because the breakout with the volume is very important, then we can see, I'm just going to place the volume and the volume oscillator as well, because the volume oscillator gave us better understanding how much powerful the buying or sell volume was. Now here we can see that we had the powerful buying volume. We had this attempt with a powerful buying volume, and if we want the value of the powerful buying, this buying volume, you can watch the value here. When I will place my mouse on the oscillator, you can watch the value here, and you can see that here we had the value more than 26, and more than 10 on the daily time frame is considered as a strong buying or sell volume, and that was more than 26. Now at this time we are having this selling candlestick, and if we watch you can again watch the value here, and I'm just going to place my mouse at the current position of the volume oscillator. Then you can see that volume oscillator is in the negative territory. So this is not a powerful sell. This is just a normal sell. Therefore, it is possible that the candlesticks will break out this Ichimoku cloud very soon, and then we will have a very nice support of this Ichimoku bearish cloud first, and then after that we will have the support of the bullish cloud as well. So next coming few days will be very important after this breakout, when we will be out of this Ichimoku cloud after a very long time period. You can see that here the candlesticks were entered in this Ichimoku cloud on 21st of April, and after that for the first time the candlesticks will be moved above this Ichimoku cloud. That will be the big achievement. However, it is possible that after breakout, the price line may move down to retest this previous resistance of the bearish cloud as a support. And once it will be successful in retesting the previous resistance as a support, then it will start a long-term and very powerful rally. This is very important that the price line is breaking out this Ichimoku cloud. No one is noticing this. Everyone is just watching this very small time frame chart and very small breakdown of this small triangle on the 4-hourly chart. That is not so much important. The most important thing is that on the daily time frame, the price line started this rally with the powerful buying volume oscillator, and it has attempted very hard to break out this Ichimoku cloud, and it is most likely to get out from this bearish strong resistance of the Ichimoku bearish cloud. Therefore, we should look at this cloud. Once we will be out of this cloud, then it can work as a very, very long-term support for the price action, and we can expect a very long-term rally towards the upside from here. And most of the people are asking that why I'm not using the Gaussian channel here, why I'm using the Ichimoku, because this is the older indicator, and basically this is the original indicator that was developed by the Japanese, and they took 30 years, more than 30 years to develop this Ichimoku cloud. We have some additional tools here in this Ichimoku cloud, like we have the this lagging span, we have the conversion line, we have the baseline. Therefore, it can give us more confirmations for the breakdown and breakout and for upcoming trends. And most important thing is that this Ichimoku cloud is free of cost, available at almost every platform. Like I'm using the TradingView. If you don't have account on the TradingView, then you can use my referral, because if you're a trader or if you want to start trading, then you should have an account on at least a free account on the TradingView. So if, for example, I would like to use the Gaussian channel that is developed by the different people, then first I want to go to the public library, and from here I can search the Gaussian channel. And if I place this Gaussian channel, let me show you this Gaussian as well. You can see that we don't have some additional tools like we have in the Ichimoku cloud. And that is breaking same as like the Ichimoku cloud, but we are not having some additional moving averages, lagging span, and conversion and the baselines. So those indicators can give us better confirmation for the upcoming bearish or bullish trends. And the most important thing that this is that the Ichimoku cloud is available in the built-in library on every platform, and it is easy and accessible for all the people. Even it is also available on the exchanges as well. And most important thing for me is that I want to make things simple. It is available at every platform, easily available for the people. Therefore, I use the Ichimoku cloud. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And do support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You will find there. Take care. Goodbye.